I want some honest answer from every one of you. Everyone knows me. My name is Chetan. Okay. So when we talk about comprehensive oral, how many of you does really know the section by heart, and what are these section all about? How many number of questions we have to attempt? What is section A? The A section is basically composing what? Section B, what is actually section B listening look like? Section C, what is section C listening look like? What is the time? What type of question comes? Is there anyone out of us who has a knowledge about? If we have it, let me know, or else I will take that opportunity. I will brief you sections first before we jump into it. Guys, so I
Yes.
really want to be honest. I want to take your participation because I'm going to share you the complete link of what every section belong to and how actually we are going to crack the listening part. Sounds good, guys? Part A, I really want to start up with part A speaking. Me and Sachi ma'am are there. We will give you some tips, and this is going to be very fruitful session. I just want your active participation and honesty. So if you have any doubts, stop me there. Even if I need to repeat 5 to 10 times, I have no issue. Je vais essayer de faire plus que possible que je vais le faire. Juste restez avec moi, restez ouvert. Claire, guys, so should I start?
Wait.
Yes.
So basically, comprehension oral, 60 questions, 40-minute window with 4 sections. So there are categories. There are 4 different categories we guys have to frame when we are thinking about comprehension oral. Are you guys with me?
Yeah.
Section number 1A. There are 8 questions, guys. The messages which we are reading here, they are mostly having pictures. Now these are small dialogues, announcements, and the stories. They are composed of pictures. They are mostly dialogues, announcement, stories. As all the recent exams, we have noticed that they are showing the directions. I will share you the link of that one as well. If direction audios are coming, how to solve that test. It's very easy. You all know the directions, but there is one particular trick I will share you with the example. Now, section A, picture 8 question. This is part A. Section B, guys. Section B is basically 26 questions. Now, in this 26 question, what are we listening? We are listening the talk of every day. Now, when we talk about every day, most of the time when we talk about every day, we spend time with our families, friends, office, job. Am I right, guys? So here the context of the day, basically the messages which you will listen here, there will be two part. You will listen the same messages, but there will be two different part. In one part, you will be given the questions to understand the pattern of question and understanding what the question is coming around. In one part, you will understand there is a question. The small message is coming from the voicemail. Now, voicemail in the office, not on your mobile. So they will play a small answering machine voice audio clip where you will hear it. You will understand there is a question written because question vary every time. I have no particular question which I can show you. This will be the frame. Question always vary. So it's a social message. It's in your office most of the time. If it is not in your office, it would be on the street. If it is not on the street, it would be in grocery store, it could be in a mechanic shop. These are the content, how you are going to listen these audio clips. Now understanding these short messages and general meanings with context. So if it is on mechanic shop, the moment you read the question, you will understand how to answer that question. Are we good here? This is section B, part 1. Now, part 2, you will hear the messages and you have to identify whether it's a family or a friend. Let's say you will be hearing the small message and there will be a question. C'est un message amical, professionnel, familial. A fourth question will be open. A autre. It could be a autre. Yeah. On the other side, sometimes they will use some other term. Mostly it is like none of above. So family, professionalism, and your friends. These are the three situations where you have to answer the part B, second part. Till here, anyone has a question, guys? Hello, team. Anyone has a question till here?
No, sir.
No.
All clear? Part B?
Yeah.
To part C. When we are talking about part C, it's basically mostly you will figure out four question. Sometimes they are coming in the sequence of, in one question, you have to identify three answers. The message in section C is basically coming from the interviews, film reviews, political newses, and long radio interviews. This interview is majority of time is a political, or it's basically a topic which is coming from the social life. Let's say social life. Right now, we all know there is a situation of coronavirus. We are all very much familiar. This is the situation going on. Now, when you are talking about section C, your 35% marks are here, guys. If I need to rate the complete listening sector, point 35% marks are sitting in your section C. So now the question, sir, who can pass the section C? Okay, the person who has a very good listening. Section A, B, C, D all require a very good listening. But in section C, you need to have a listening pattern practice with over 20-minute continuous reading. Now this you can understand while listening RFI, while listening the news channels, while listening the documentaries. These are the listening practices that you guys have to do if you really need to master section C. Are we clear?
Yeah.
There will be one question, one recording. This recording will be played twice. There will be three answer or sometimes four answer to pick from one single recording. There will be situations given. In one situation, you have to identify something else. In the another situation, you have to find something else around that conversation. But this is a long recording. Are we all in? Any question, any doubt?
No, sir.
Part D. There are 10 questions, guys. Now, these are very short messages. One of the famous example which I always give to all the student is there will be a recording, there will be a word written, there will be two word written, false or true, with the name of them. Now, this recording, which is going to be played, will give you option to hear it. Now, the word are very close. They will write a word like buttei, and on the other side, they will write a word like futei. And the conversation which will be coming through your ears will sound exactly the same. You have to be very precise. Section D, 10 question, very small question. Most of the time they are similar synonyms, similar objects. Now for an example, werth and where. Werth and where, they are similar words. Buttei, a futei. Buttei, a futei. Are you guys getting what is the type of question you will face in this section?
Yeah.
So I think you guys, whatever practices you guys are doing, especially with section D and A, is very easy to break. If you just do the practice of this pattern for at least, let's say 20 time in overall, particularly section D and A, it's very easy to break for anyone. Anyone can break it. Section B and D require your consistency on listening. I'm going to share this file with all of you guys. You guys can see section A. What is the object here? You are basically talking about characters, age, profession, expression of faces. Object, which category? You have to understand if it is an object, which category it is. Is it a furniture, clothing, school, equipment, professionals, animals, or if it is animal, which animal they are talking? Places, interior or exterior? Is the conversation is formal or informal? Whether they are using tu or they are using vu. These are the precise details we need in sections. 8 question again, voice message. Section B, 26 question, who is speaking? You are listening the conversation. It is very much important to understand who is speaking, who is this message for, and why is the person calling. He's calling to give an information, he's calling about a service, he's talking about an agreement or a service response, date, suggestion, and outing, or etc. Announcement in a public area, radio information in public area, what they are talking, and radio information, what is the target. So this detailed sheet will be shared with you guys. Section C, 16 question on poll, what is the social fact address? For example, I said COVID. What area does it concern? Is it education, health, money, work, or vaccine, like vacation? If it is coming on the radio, after the first listening, who is speaking? You need to understand who is speaking, male, female, about what they are speaking, whom, whose. Spot the message, the answer given to the question asked. Spot the message to the questions they are asking in the exercise. After the second listening, write down the keywords. Now, here we are saying write down the keyword. Majority of the time, you will not be allowed to get a paper inside. In your listening studio, they will not give you papers. Very rare. In some center, they might provide you, but no, guys. Majority of the places, they don't. Now, after a second listening, write down the keywords. No, we can't write down. So what you have to do is you have to remember. Can you identify the feeling and opinion of the interviewees? Now, when you are listening an interview, of course, we are able to understand whether it's a happiness or it's a sadness. So it was a small, detail information which I was about to share, and this is I've done it. In that section D, 10 question voice messages short, you will hear this part only once. Most of the parts you will, like almost all three parts you will hear twice, but this you will hear once.